Hey, hello, brothers, and I'm back with the trade in analysis series of Bitcoin and gold. Yesterday, I'm really sorry I couldn't upload a video because there were much of the work to do. So, yeah, I did posted a short on what had happened. Like, nothing much had happened, but today it might happen. So, yeah, let's just begin without any more shit. Yeah, so daily time frame. Okay, where's the candlesticks? And I was completely wrong that the candle could retrace like in this spot, and then it could give an entry. And yeah, it didn't really happen cause see this bearish candle. It didn't even make this kind of wick and then go down. It is just fall, like yeah, just fall. And let me just give you a wide based scenario of Bitcoin. Yeah, it's a great idea to show to you what's really happening to Bitcoin. So in this structure, it's a daily time frame. The market consolidated after a fall, and it did give us pretty good buy trades like here. And from this point, the market was selling. If you see like this was consolidation. The market did made a trap out of this. Then the market was starting to fall. And if you see like this, the in my previous videos I've said you that now the Bitcoin has started its bearish cycle. So what does that mean? The market is going to be underperforming for some quite a good amount of time. So yeah, let me just explain that why even that is happening. So let's just focus on weekly time frame. Here on the weekly time frame, there wasn't really a shift of market, cause if I bring out line chart, see, the line does not consider the wick that has went down from these points. Like it just counts the body closure at these levels. You can just see it again. See, the wicks were down to right here, but the line chart says that this is a higher low and this is again a higher low. So which is yeah, kind of a trap making thing. Here was an engagement level created, which is a very good trade setup for the sellers, and yeah, it did work as well. And by keeping it aside, let me just say you this. If the market makes a really good bullish candle closing at this level, what is this level? 1,04,700. If it closes like this, damn man, the market is going to boom. You just need to put your money in Bitcoin. That's really what I'm suggesting. I mean, not really like suggesting. It could even close like this and even again start to fall. And yeah, if you see, this wasn't really a shift. This was a shift, and this is a swing shift, I can call it. But in the daily time frame, here was the shift happened previously on the Trump tweet. What did happen? So this is the swing shift. Yeah, it really did happen. So yeah, for some days the Bitcoin is going to fall like these levels. And what are these levels? 85,000 and 87,000. The price could show some bullish reactions, but if it closed below this level, what's that level, 75,000, then there is a greater shift of market to the bearish side, and it could go even down till here, 72,000 or even 50. No, it couldn't go like, yeah, the market wouldn't fall that much, but it will go till here, and even it may go to here. So yeah, like if the market does close below this level and it did made a trap sort of thing at this level, yeah, just like, let me just show you. The market is, oh my god, okay, the market is falling like, yeah, just like this, and made a trap and made a shift of structure just like here, and gave us a retracement of this trend line, and then the market could just go up. Yeah, just like, not exactly like this, but yeah, something like this. Yeah, we cannot break the market like freaking pips to pips. Yeah, but we should know what all is happening. And yeah, this is Hades. And another thing for you to say, what time? Okay, 6 minutes done. Let me just say this. So my strategy, which is the supply strengthen, demand exhaustion, supply exhaustion strategy, that does heavily depend on the market structure. So yeah, today's Sunday, and my masterclass is going to release today. This video and that video, both of the videos are going to release at this day. So yeah, make sure to watch that video as well. And the next Sunday I will be posting some strategy video. So yeah, stay tuned for that strategy video and keep waiting. Until then, see the daily analysis of Bitcoin and gold. So according to my strategies, there must be what you say, the sell exhaustion, and selling exhaustion, which would lead to demand strengthening, which it did happen. Oh man, freaking dog, man, street dogs, shut the freak up, man. I'm recording a video, can't you hear it? Oh my man. Okay, okay man, just guys, ignore that dog. Okay, and the buys did get initiated, but it didn't really sustain for a lot of time. It did converted into the sell side liquidity. And yes, here let me show you another thing. Here the demand got exhausted, like the market has pumped very much up from here. There was a liquidity buildup at this point, so the demand gets exhausted, making this was supply strengthening. But what did the market follow? It did just break this and again break this and made a trap out of it, this sell side strengthening up, and remained for and floated for quite a lot of time. Then it did give a close below this level. This level, the market did give a close, and now it's falling tremendously. So, if you had clearly watched my videos like from 2 to 3 days or even a single day, you will get to know there is a thing in my analysis called traps. Yeah, this is a trap according to the sell side strengthening. This whole thing which you see is a trap, and this trap took a really good amount of time from, let me see, yeah, it did begin from Wednesday 21 May 2025, and it did closed on, what is this day, Tuesday 4 November 2025. Like this much hectic amount of time it did made a trap. So yeah, this much big trap and that much big fall is going to occur. So yeah, you got my point, what I really explain right like here. And yeah guys, I really want to make sure that you guys are understanding what I am saying. And yeah, at this point I know uh, none of you people are understanding the way I analyze and this chaotic chart. Everywhere there are lines and everything. So yeah, videos are going to come, man. Just chill the freak out. And at this level, I do need to say you something. The people who had bought at these price levels, and they might have hold their trades even at this points, the people would be happy, like, oh, I've bought the bitcoin and it's going really in my way. I'll hold it like a freaking year. I'll hold it like 5 years, and boom, the market showed them the reality. So yeah, if they had really didn't close their trades, which a lot of people would have not. Oh, the swing traders, ultra swing traders, the monthly traders, what we call them, they put a stop loss just like here or here, even maybe. So their stop losses like hit somewhere around here. If I zoom into that area, yeah, somewhere around here, their stop losses might have hit. And this area was very good for buy setups. The market did even made a trap out of it. You can see trap out of it. And I had even said you in my like previous video, if the market does makes a really good price action from this price point, you can buy the bitcoin. But it didn't really make a good price action. Even it did fall like crazy, one big red candle. And yeah, what was the reason? Their buy side trade orders, hear me out really seriously, their buy side orders, which acted pretty well for them, now did get converted into sell side trades. So this is the point. When you create a buy side trade and your stop loss is hit, remember, buy side trade and your stop loss is hit, at the stop loss point there is the same lot size which you have put, the same volume, the same lot size will get shorted from the exacted point where your stop loss is being put. So yes, and vice versa. Like if you have sold the market and your stop loss is hit, the exact same amount of money that you have put in this sell trade will get converted into the buy trade upon hitting your stop loss. Yeah, now I think you I got understood what or understand what I really say. And yeah, this could be a potential great trade. But yeah, here was the 14th November. I mean, yes, the 14th November. And yeah, see the calendar. What was at this day? Children's Day, freaking Children's Day. And it's boring. It was boring, as like wasn't really boring. It was quite really fun, but we made we thought it like it was boring, and just leave it. And yeah, here at this point I was in my bus, like playing games with my friend. Yeah, like at that point the market did give a really good trade. If I had thought of this psychology right like here when I was in home, I could have taken a really good short trade from here. See this candle closure, it's very good. So yeah, and these zones are really good for selling. So yes, and see this point. Now is the start of the bearish cycle. So the supply exhaustion thing won't work until the market again shifts to bullish. Until then, remember this. Okay? Yes, good. So yeah, that's what I explained you at the starting of the video. If you are not paying attention, what are you doing with your life, man? Rewind this video and see the starting of the video. And yes, like that. And for yeah, today is Sunday, 15 minutes done. So if you had seen the first video, day 1 of the trade video, you know that some mysterious government or someone is buying Bitcoin. It might not work for today, at least today, cause there is freaking great bearish side of the market face which we are seeing right now. But yeah, you can't say anything about markets like today Sunday. You could potentially see the buy trades like just like here the market going up, and there's a supply strengthening and a plus plus supply zone. Here is the demand exhaustion, which is pretty good. The demand exhaustion in a bearish trend is a freaking good thing, which you can see. If the today Sunday, if the market has got like somewhere around here or even around here, you can place a freaking sell side trade. If I was you, I would be doing something like this. Like, this is not a trade idea. If the market did come in a slow pace, remember this, what I'm saying. The market did come slowly, like here at this price point, not making freaking big candles in a very short amount of time, then you do need to wait for the market to shift or making some traps or even anything, a trap of this zone. Just like this the market could come like let's just draw this. Market could come like this and even making the trap, closing below this box and seeing the shift of this level, breaking of this previous higher low level, making the lower high level. You do need to sell at this lower high. You got that? So yeah, if the market did made the price action like this, and if the market did made a price action today like this, which is most unlikely to happen, and hear this thought out. If the market continues to make bullish price action Sunday, ignoring all of these freaking really good sell side analysis, at the Monday, the market is going to greatly fall. If today the market is rising like freaking ignoring all of these levels, Monday is going to be a great sell-off, man. Keep that in mind. And yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen in Monday. And this is my gold chart, and I've said like to see a really good price action, bullish price action before buying at this point. I say this thing at every single trade idea. If you are a consistent viewer of this channel, I say this freaking a lot of times, and this was the mistake which I had done, which it didn't really cost me much of money. It's just like I put a limit order in here, very small amount of money, very not even a percent of my trading capital I did put in here, and yeah, this loss doesn't even matter. So, but it's really important to show you as a trader, which I had posted yesterday. A short video I did uploaded yesterday. So the liquidity has been swept, and at this level, see this level, what is this level? 4096, 97, 4100. Yeah, let's just give it 4100. The market did fall greatly. Not even the market did come slowly, it did fall greatly, and at this trend line it took support. See this trend line? It's a very good trend line. It took a support and closed above this sweep of liquidity, which we can not expect the price to just boom from here. If it has to, or the market could even fall like this is like, yeah, you can see like just like this, the market could fall like this, And I'm saying the market is not going to do exactly what I said. There is a 50% chance it could do exactly what I said. It couldn't do exactly what I said. It depends upon our mentality, the market timing, and the levels, and our psychology, our risk management. Yeah, that's what matters. And let's create some trade scenarios right here. What's the time, man? Oh my god, 20 minutes did complete. So if gold opened gap up or gap down, if the gold opened gap down and tested these levels, and after the market did fill this gap, yeah, the market could do something like this. So yeah, gap down, and here like it could retest this level and could shift from here, breaking the previous level, or it may break past this level and then creating a high just like this, and then filling this gap right here. This gap which you see, which is needed to be filled, could be filled after making this kind of price action. Like, yeah, it could make this price action, and after happening of this, you do need to wait for a retracement and then buy, targeting anything like this highs. And this happening the happening of this is very low. The chance is very low because there is a lower high and there is only a shift of structure, not the break of structure. And yeah, if this happens, like, wait a minute, yeah, just like this happens, there could be a break of structure. Then if the price retraces from this levels just like this, and exactly at these levels or even this level making a trap, and upon the shift at this level you can buy. Yes, that's the trade idea. For the buy side, if it did really follow like just what I said now, but it didn't, if it didn't really follow, like it just open gap up like this, it would come to fill the gap. And if it did open gap up, wait for the sweep of this level, and if it even did come to this level, you do need to sell the market after seeing a good price action. And yeah, just like that, it could fall like this. So that's the analysis of gold. And for the Bitcoin, I've said my view. You could sell at Monday, and not from exactly like this point, but yeah, anywhere from here or here, anywhere you see the good price action of selling side, you can buy. But today is special. Today you could see for buy side trades. Put a very small amount of money in your trade which you are going to place today, and yeah, just wait for a really good setup to form, which could form like the market could go like here, like breaking past this level and retracing back down to here or here. Then you can put a trade right like here. So yeah, that was some wide view and today's analysis, and like everything which I have missed yesterday to say you, but I said you in today's video, and it's quite a long video, 25 minutes. So yeah guys, I do appreciate your support, and like guys, you do really motivate me. So please share the video to all of the ones who are struggling with their finances, who have to grow in life or anything. Share this video to them so they can bring some changes in their lives and start trading, having amazing life, and could become even able to yeah, get financial freedom. And with that being said, Signing off, Mosaic Trader. Don't miss out to check the masterclass of candlesticks.